Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now on my last video, we left off with this mess. In my previous video, I told you that we just recently hosted a Halloween party and my house was destroyed. Upstairs, downstairs, every nook and cranny, it was trashed. So in my last video, we tackled the main floor and today we are finally tackling the basement. Now we had like 20 plus kids here. I think every toy was pulled out. The basement normally does not look like this. So get ready for some extreme cleaning motivation today. Get ready to clean with me. And with that being said, let's jump right into this mess. I have to admit, when I first walked down here, I did not even know where to begin. So while my older kids were at school, I decided that what I was going to do was to go ahead and try to sort all of the toys by type. That way, when they got home from school, we could all tackle the basement and try to put the things where they belonged. So that's what I started with. Honestly, it was very overwhelming to me, and it actually took us 2 days to accomplish this task. But that's what I'm doing here, along with my sweet little tag-along per usual.
From head to toe, light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, you ready?
I'm now in our under the stairs room. I've mentioned previously on videos that when we first moved in, we let the kids kind of paint this room. But this is where we keep our weapon bins and just a few miscellaneous things. So this closet was destroyed. There were so many things in here that do not belong in here. So I'm trying to sort through those now as well.
On the prize. Oh my, gonna spin the wheel. Cash it in and roll the dice. Oh my, it's a thing of gold. All I'll do is win. All I'll do is win. Oh my, no one ever fold. Start it up, let the game begin. Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready?
So honestly, I did not get very far after completing the under the stairs closet. Honestly, the mess was just too overwhelming to me. So this is actually the next day. My kids are home from school. We just finished dinner and I told them that before we do anything else tonight, we are going to tackle and complete this basement. So teamwork makes the dream work and they are all helping and we're going to get it done.
Broken, no trace of blood on the rug, and I feel a new kind of burning. I'm kind of liking the way that it hurts. Someone call the doctor, someone call the nurse, someone call the preacher man before I hit the turn. Hey! Loaded love, loaded love.
So now we are moving on to the piles that I had made the previous day, and I'm kind of just handing items to the kids and letting them know where to put them. So that's why they're kind of just standing around me here. And by letting them know where to put them, I mean sometimes I was putting on my mom voice and I'm like, put that where it goes now. You moms feel me, right? It may look like sunshines and rainbows, but cleaning with kids is always, ugh. So we had to abandon the piles in the middle of the floor for a few moments and move over here to where the shelves are because we were missing multiple bins and we weren't quite sure where they were. So I moved over to where the shelves were and started like going through all the toys over here, tried to locate the bins and make some progress. Honestly, the whole process just felt like we were taking like 2 steps forward and like 20 steps backwards. But I don't know. It's like we don't have very many toys. Like we honestly don't for the number of children that we have. But we have a lot of tiny toys. And for some reason, all of those got dumped over this party, and it was just a little bit overwhelming.
Lipstick on your lips, red wine and cigarettes. I gotta take some time to move you. She needs someone you can hold me. Hold on, hold on, hold on. She needs someone you can hold me. Hold on, hold on.
Now we are moving into my oldest son's room because for some reason a lot of toys got brought in here during the party. I told him next time he probably needs to lock his door, but we're going to go ahead and clean up the mess that was brought into his room. The floor is finally cleared and it's time to vacuum, so the kids are going to take turns vacuuming various parts. Right here, my older ones are rock, paper, scissoring to see who goes first. And I think that Caleb lost because he went first.
You are the spark when I'm blind in a dark room. I am a shark and there's blood in the water. We're far apart, but I'm looking right at you. We're far apart, let's bring it together. I think I like you. I think you like me too. I got no parts.
So, oh my goodness, y'all, it is finished. The floors have been swept, the Lysol has been sprayed, the toys are organized, and I can see the floor again. This feels so good. We had so much fun at our Halloween party, and toys are meant to be played with, but it really feels good to reset our home. And honestly, when all the toys get pulled out like that, it makes me want to like purge our entire basement. Anyone else feel like that? But I hope that this video gave you guys some extreme cleaning motivation, because trust me, it took a long time to clean. But with that being said, please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. And here's a little sneak peek of the next video to come. Yes, we are going there, guys. As of tomorrow, October is over, and you know what that means. Christmas! Hobby Lobby shop with me coming your way soon.